Shapa bethi kunjani cameraman team mfocus well Mswati lumnanzi football fusion. Sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi-1. Phaka chuchu.
Hola mafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode. A banger one.
Hey. So mafethu in this video we're going to be talking about the Orlando Pirates up against
Fakukes.
Focus.
I got to the load schedule.
Idlala up against Imakase, a team that is struggling. Later now, one mistake, it's gone. Abanye ngapha, if they drop points, it's gone. My guy, I think you were happy ubona i-Chiefs sekubambela in the Sundowns. Sicela ungahambe futhi. Sekubambela i-Sundowns. I don't know. So you I was watching that game with you. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs up against Mamelodi Sundowns. When Kaizer Chiefs scored, I saw you for the first time in history. First time I've known you as a friend. 2014, what, Ushayizanga for Kaizer Chiefs. Because he's scoring. Which means that Kaizer Chiefs was doing something good for you. And then now, it's all in your net. It's all in your area. What do you feel? Where do you stand?
I think kunezinto mfethu that I talked about here before. Esezenzeka manje. I talked about the mentality the team. Ngiyabuyela to the game here Sundowns now. I talked about dynamism ka coach, where coach has to show what we don't have one way of winning. That happened to see La Paya Cup that day. So it's a pity to that game we didn't really do the post-match review. But if I were to talk about it a little bit, the goals are winning now. Amagola, they come from the set pieces, they come from crosses, which is not really something that we are good at, because we believe we good we creativity. I'm working together with Apolis, right? And then allowing other players to play. So we saw that, but before that, it's the mentality. You're the one who was saying it's the mentality more than anything. The PhD yeah. Mina into engayibona lapha yes akukho right ukuthi yalimaza abadlali, but I saw a team that was willing to fight.
And if you're looking at the Mufokeng, that is defensive. Lo makhaga lo buyela because amibhola akadlali phambili lezibhola
and they could understand ukuthi they are playing a team a grounding that is not very good. It's not a very good pitch to play football, honestly. First half bekunzima ngisho ukuhlanganisa 4 passes. So they played scrappy, but they won. That's what is important.
I think if in the league like corner now, it's no longer about how you play. You need to grind the results. You need to get the 3 points.
Exactly.
It's how you get them, whether you play good football or not. But if it's difficult to play that good football that you are used to play, you need just to collect the points. So you agree on that one.
Yes.
Okay, you got those points. Chiefs made a favor for you. So now
yeah, but for the first time.
That what happened to Soweto United?
For the first time mfethu Soweto ihlangana njengozulu. Kuthiwa Zulu. Soweto was united. It was good to see that thing. I won't lie to you. Ngiyazi ukuthi we are rivals, so every now and again we'll banter about these things, but you did us a very big favor. Shout out to Kaizer Chiefs players. Shout out to the keeper. Remember the keeper. He's going to the World Cup.
You're buying him a cow, right?
We'll buy him a cow. But focusing on the game, Makesi, they are struggling. Everyone can see. They are number 16 Willocky, and they were beaten by the team that is closest to them. In fact, Opit. So they've got players now, like Uchipetete. Yes, was a very good keeper because rescue each other. The players themselves, they let themselves down sometimes. But I'm not expecting much from Imakesi. I'm expecting Orlando Pirates to show that mentality.
Yes.
I don't care about this game at this point, but the mentality.
No, but remember with Imakesi, it's a team that I think it's their second season or something.
Yeah.
Go PSL, right?
Yes.
So in their first season, they managed to win, I think, a Carling Play World Cup, right? They won it. So it's a team that is capable of winning, and they can chip as it. Bagwas go to Benzela Matrika back then, but end up win. So right now for them, it's a matter of surviving, right? And Mubuga,
I don't think we are fighting for the same thing.
Yes, you're not fighting for you're not fighting for the same thing, but if you look at 16, 15, 14, 1 point, 2 point makes it different, moves you from being number 16. So they have nothing to lose. It's either they're getting relegated or they are fighting you with getting this 1 point or we're getting this 3 points. And when on the other side, when you're fighting with, you know how difficult you drop a point, it's gone.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna be a game whereby you say Paris is gonna walk over Imakesi. Imakesi is a struggling team. No, it's gonna be difficult.
We will walk over. Back my way.
No,
we will walk
when
over. That's
right
me
now,
saying that.
When Okuluma pays Octane, no, I'm supporting my Orlando Pirates.
Yes, Kuluma as a supporter, we will walk over. Am I wrong with that? We will walk over. Mina ngithi into esiyilwelayo ayifani nelolo Imakesi. The reason why ngisho njalo, it's because it's been a long time in South Africa sibone enye team iwinning league. So that's what we are fighting for.
Especially 2-3 games left.
Yes, hence I'm talking about the mentality. The mentality, it's not ukuthi we are superior. We want to play. Ukuthi sidlala neteam encane, but we are there to fight.
Yeah.
That's the mentality I see in those boys, Orlando Pirates. Hence we will walk over. If we score in the first few minutes, he expects a lot of goals there.
But before 2 minutes, I'm saying if Imakesi score first, then Orlando Pirates will have to come. Lapuchi will waste that time and it will make sure
this is the lock, Baba. This is the lock. You'll see.
I don't know about you can comment down below.
Back to Big Kosi.
You can comment down below and tell us, is Imakesi winning this game? Is Orlando Pirates winning this game? Is this going to be a 0-0 draw or what? Comment down below and tell us, my friends, we'll just keep on. See you on another one.